I got your ear. I'm gonna get your nose. I'm gonna get your nose. I'm gonna get your tongue. Let's see your teeth. Oh, oh, look at you. Are you tired? Come here. I'm in here with Lillian, swinging on her monkey vine. Whee, look at you go. She loves her monkey vine. Whee! Since it's been cold and rainy outside, she hasn't been able to go climb trees and play outside. So she's been swinging on her monkey vine a lot. And I thought I'd get the camera. She's doing really good. She's not getting on the curtains, so I haven't had to take them down. She's doing really good. I created this monkey vine for Lillian when she was a little baby. I wanted her to have the feeling of swinging through the trees. And so I came up with the idea and Billy figured it out. And she has loved it from day one. The little girls don't get on it. They prefer to get in their little swing over there. They don't like the monkey vine, but Lillian loves it. I'm gonna get you. I had to make her a new flying suit because she wore the other one out, and now she's wearing that one out. Yeah, I'm gonna get you. She wants me to play. So we just moved the coffee table out of the way and moved the chairs and let her just have fun. And there she goes. Whee! I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. You can hear, oh, she ran into me. Okay, look. There's your toy. Oh boy, look at you. Whee! Are you having fun? Is that fun? You sure are a good girl. Look at you go. don't know how you don't get dizzy doing that. Yeah. Whee! Whee! Oh, look at you. Are you tired? Come here. Is my baby tired? Say hi, everybody. Look at my pretty girl. Yeah, Lillian's 5th birthday is coming up pretty soon. She's almost 5 years old. Yeah. Uh-huh. And you're a good girl. I got your ear. I got your ear. I'm gonna get your nose. I'm gonna get your nose. I'm gonna get your tongue. Let's see your teeth. Say, eh. Look. Lillian, tell everybody bye. Wait, bye-bye. Say bye. Okay. What's up, everybody? I've been rescuing animals for several years. We have a little facility here. Be sure to pick up a MonkeyLillianLouise coloring book and composition notebooks. All the proceeds from the coloring books and from the composition notebooks will go to these animals for the upkeep of the facility, for the blankets, the food, the vet bills, or anything that these animals may need. So if you would like to join in and help support these rescue animals, click on the link below this video. It will take you straight to Amazon where you can pick up your MonkeyLillianLouise coloring books and composition notebooks today. We really appreciate that. It's helping us a lot to keep this moving along with the animals. And we hope y'all are having a super awesome day. And we will catch y'all in the next video.